What do you think would happen if you did a 1-minute plank every single day? You don't need a gym membership. You don't need expensive equipment. All you need is a space about the size of a single mat, your own body, and just one focused minute out of your entire 24-hour day. Bro, 1 minute. You spend more time deciding what to eat for breakfast. No excuses here. The plank may look simple, even boring, like you're just holding still. But in reality, it is an exceptionally powerful full-body exercise that pushes your core stability to its absolute limit. Yeah, it looks like you're just lying there doing nothing. Your muscles, they disagree. Violently. If you want to improve your fitness level, planks are one form of bodyweight exercise that will never go out of fashion. The benefits are endless. So what really happens if you start doing planks for a minute every morning? Never goes out of fashion, unlike that gym membership you bought in January and completely forgot about by February. Keep watching, because today, we're getting into exactly what happens to your body when you do a 1-minute plank every single morning. The plank doesn't just target the surface-level abs you can see. It simultaneously engages the transverse abdominis, the deep core muscles that literally wrap around your midsection like a corset. The rectus abdominis. Yeah, those are the six-pack muscles. The multifidus, the muscles that support and stabilize your spine. And your back muscles, shoulders, glutes, and thighs, all recruited at once. This is done through something called isometric contraction, meaning instead of moving the muscles, you train your body to hold a straight line against gravity. That's the plank's greatest advantage over almost every other ab exercise out there. No movement, no reps, just you versus gravity. And gravity is not going easy on you. Here's a timeline of what actually changes, week by week, over 1 month. Count this every day. Your body will steadily improve. 1 month. That's it. 30 days. You've binged-watched longer series than that. You got this. Week 1. Awakening the nervous system. The first minute will feel like an eternity. Your entire body may tremble and shake. This is completely normal. It means your brain is frantically sending electrical signals to muscles that have been dormant, waking them up for the first time. Your body shaking like a phone on vibrate mode? Perfect. That means it's working. Don't you dare drop. Week 2. Improved posture and stability. Your form begins to stabilize. You start to understand how to properly engage your core and distribute pressure. In daily life, you'll notice it becomes easier to be aware of your core. Desk-related back pain and slouching start to improve. You'll just feel more stable in everything. Week 2 and you're already sitting up straighter. Your coworkers won't know why. You will. Weeks 3 and 4. Tightening from the inside out. Your muscles increase in output strength. Your metabolism sees a slight improvement. And here's the thing. A stronger core means smoother, more efficient movement. The performance of other sports and workouts starts to improve noticeably. You didn't just get better at planking. You got better at everything. That's the sneaky bonus nobody talks about. Now, you might be thinking, shouldn't I hold it longer? Here's the truth. In planking, quality matters far more than time. Holding a plank with poor form for 3 minutes does far less for your muscles than holding a perfect plank for 1 minute. The keys are, keep maximum tension throughout your entire body. Never let your lower back sag or arch. And never, never hold your breath. A saggy plank is just lying on the floor. Don't lie on the floor. Plank on the floor. Big difference. By carefully accumulating 1 quality minute each day, you minimize the risk of injury while efficiently and steadily strengthening your core. 1 quality minute beats 5 sloppy minutes every single time. Work smarter, not longer. Planking is an excellent way of challenging your entire body, because doing them every morning will actually burn more calories than traditional ab exercises like crunches or sit-ups. The core muscles you strengthen day to day, they ensure you burn more energy even when you're sedentary, because they are some of the largest muscles in your body. Especially important if you spend most of your day sitting in front of a computer. Making this a daily habit, before or after work, not only gives you an enhanced metabolic rate, it keeps that metabolism high all day long. You're literally burning calories while sitting at your desk, doing nothing, because you planked this morning. Let that sink in. Okay, there's one thing I need to be completely honest with you about. Planks alone will not dramatically melt belly fat or give you a shredded six-pack. Whether or not your abs are visible depends less on how much you train them and more on whether you can reduce the layer of fat sitting on top of them. I know, not what you wanted to hear. But I'd rather be honest with you than sell you a fantasy. You're welcome. The plank is not a magic trick for revealing abs, but it is an essential foundation for building strong, beautiful abs that will be ready to show when the fat does come off. Think of it like renovating a house. Planks build the structure. Diet handles the paint job. Both matter. Perhaps the most powerful benefit of the 1-minute plank is what it does to your mindset. Because the barrier to entry is so incredibly low, every single day you stack up a small win. And those small wins build something powerful. I can do this. That voice in your head that says, I can do this? That's the real six-pack, and it shows up first. When it comes to how many planks a day, we recommend striving for 3 sets of up to 60 seconds each. That becomes your goal as you build up. But the most important thing in doing planks every morning is consistency. 3 sets, 60 seconds each. That's 3 minutes total. Your coffee takes longer to brew. 0 excuses. Get on the floor. Just 1 minute. 1 month from now, you will have a stronger, more stable core and a confidence in yourself that you didn't have before. Future you is already proud. Don't let future you down. Get on the floor. Start your 1-minute savings account today. 1 minute a day, deposited daily. The compound interest on this one? Absolutely insane. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. You made it to the end. That already proves you've got the discipline. Now go plank. Seriously, right now. I'll wait.